Hi everyone, so welcome back to my English learning video series. And in this video, so we are going to study about how we make questions using how. Okay? Halo teman-teman, selamat berjumpa kembali di video pembelajaran bahasa Inggris kita kali ini. Dan di video kali ini kita akan belajar tentang bagaimana membuat pola kalimat dengan kalimat tanya dengan menggunakan how. Okay. Mungkin di beberapa video sebelumnya kita sudah banyak belajar tentang how to make the questions using the question words, ya. Sometimes so we make questions using what, where, why, who, okay, and how, alright. Dan di video kali ini kita akan fokus membuat pertanyaan dengan menggunakan kata tanya how, okay. Seperti yang kita ketahui, banyak sekali pola pertanyaan dengan menggunakan how. Right, okay, seperti menanyakan harga, menanyakan kondisi dan sebagainya. Alright, so we are going to discuss about that, okay, and of course, so we are going to discuss about how to make questions using how. Alright, are you ready? Okay, let's go and let's get started. Ayo kita mulai teman-teman ya. Okay, so for the first. So we are going to make questions using how plus the adjective, alright? Okay. Jadi pola yang pertama adalah bagaimana kita buat kalimat tanya dengan menggunakan how ditambah kata sifat. Okay. So of course you still remember about the adjective, right? Tentu teman-teman masih ingat dengan kata sifat. Kata sifat seperti big, small, long, fast, slow dan sebagainya ya. Jadi itu termasuk kata sifat or the adjectives in English. Bagaimana membuat kalimat tanya dengan menggunakan kata sifat how plus the adjective? Ya, mudah sekali. Jadi how itu selalu nanti diikuti oleh kata sifat. Contoh. How far is your school? Ya, mungkin ada yang nanya. So, how far is your school from your house? Seberapa jauh sih jarak sekolahmu? Yeah, maybe the answer is it is about 10 kilometers. Okay, ya. Yeah. Jadi how far, seberapa jauh? Ya, yeah, simple. Okay. The next one, how tall are you? I'm 167 centimeters H. Okay. Jadi how tall? Tall is an adjective. Jadi tall di sini adalah kata sifat yang menanyakan seberapa tinggi Anda. Okay. How tall are you? Right? Yeah. The next one. So we have how fast is your car? Its top speed is 225 km per hour. Okay. Jadi seberapa kencang, seberapa cepat mobil kamu? Ya, jadi top speednya adalah 225 kilometers per hour. Okay. Jadi how fast, seberapa cepat. Okay. Yeah. The next one, how big is your house? It is not very big, just 3 bedrooms. Okay. How big? Jadi how tambah big. Jadi sederhana sekali. Seberapa besar sih rumah Anda? Okay. Dan masih banyak lagi. Kita bisa membuat contoh-contoh kalimat dengan menggunakan how plus the adjective. Okay. For example, how clean is your house? Ya. Okay. Contoh yang lain misalkan, so how fast do you speak English? Okay. Right. Ya. Yeah. Dan masih banyak lagi kata pertanyaan yang menggunakan how plus the adjective. Alright. Okay. So this is the simple one. Ya, ini yang pola yang sederhana. Mungkin teman-teman nanti bisa mempelajari lebih lanjut lagi ya. Okay. Yeah, that's about how to make questions using how plus the adjective. Alright, it's very clear, right? It's easy. Yeah. Okay, the next one. Okay, how about to make how often? Okay. Yeah, and now so we are going to make the questions using how often. Alright, how often. Okay. Let's see the examples. Ya, mari kita lihat contohnya. Okay, how often do you play tennis? Once a week, twice a week, Alright, 3 times a week, ya, atau just on Sunday, itu artinya once a week, ya. Alright, jadi how often itu menyatakan tingkat keseringan. Seberapa sering sih kamu bermain tenis? Ya, misalkan once a week, sekali dalam seminggu. Twice a week, 2 kali dalam seminggu. Kalau 3 kali, ya 3 times. 4 kali, 4 times, dan seterusnya. Oke? Okay? Yeah. The next example, right? How often do you study English? Well, I study English 3 times a week. Alright, 3 times a week. So, dalam seminggu dia belajar bahasa Inggris 3 kali. Jadi mungkin 3 hari. Alright? Ya. Yeah. Jadi how often itu menyatakan seberapa sering. Ya. Yeah. Masih banyak lagi, teman-teman bisa membuat contoh kalimat yang lainnya seperti how often do you clean your room? Ya. Yeah. How often do you wash your car? Okay. How often do you go shopping? Okay. How often do you have vacations with your family? Ya, dan sebagainya. Seberapa sering? Okay. Good. It's very simple, right? That's about how making questions using how often. Ya. Nanti silakan teman-teman coba membuat contoh-contoh kalimat tanya yang lainnya dengan menggunakan how often yang menyatakan seberapa sering. Okay? Yeah, the next one. So we make questions using how good. Nah, di sini pola pertanyaan ini menanyakan seberapa bagus. Okay, how good. Okay, let's see the example. Yeah. How good are you in English? Ya, oh, kamu seberapa bagus sih dalam berbahasa Inggris? Oke, ini khusus untuk yang belajar bahasa Inggris ya. Ya, oh, very good. Ya, syukur, very good. Just average, not very good. Oke, saya harap teman-teman berani pede ya, confidence menyatakan, oh, I'm very good. Oke, ya, just average itu artinya just medium, oke, medium, ya, mungkin di tengah-tengah ya, oke, not very good and not, not bad, right? Okay, just medium, right? Yeah, how good? Yes, okay. The next one, how good are you at singing? Okay, so I'm very good at singing. I'm a professional singer. Oke, contoh seperti itu. Ya, jadi how good itu selalu diikuti oleh to be, right? How good are you? Alright, we don't use any verb, okay? So that's why. So jika kita menggunakan how good itu kita tidak menggunakan do or does, okay? Kita selalu menggunakan to be. How good are, okay? Ya, kalau sampai yang kita tanya you, how good are you? Kalau kita tanya she, how good is she? Okay. How good is she at singing? Oh, she is very good at singing, dan sebagainya. Ya. Contoh yang lain misalkan, how good is your father at driving? Oke, contoh misalkan, oh, he is very good. Oke, ya. How good is your sister at dancing? Ya. Oh, she is very good at dancing. She's a professional dancer. Oke. She's a professional Balinese dancer. Oke, dan sebagainya. Yeah, that's very easy, right? Okay. How good? Seberapa bagus. Okay. Yeah, so it's clear, right? Yeah, the next one, how well. Okay. Di sini ada sedikit kemiripan antara how good dengan how well. Okay. Nah, ketika menggunakan how well, okay, kita mengarah ke penggunaan kata kerja atau verb. Okay. Let's see the examples. Kita lihat contohnya, okay? How well do you play football? Oh, I play very well, or not very well, just medium atau just average, ya, dan sebagainya. Ya, lihat. How well do you play? Jadi ada how well do you play football? Okay? Yeah. The next one. How well do you speak English? Oh, I speak English very well. Oke, contohnya. How well do you speak English? Ya, ingat ada speak, ada verb, right? That's why we use do. Selalu kita menggunakan do. Kalau dia simple present. Oke, kalau tenses yang lain menyesuaikan. Oke, misalkan kalau past dia berubah menjadi how well did you. Oke, itu kalau dia past tense. Oke. Jadi silakan teman-teman cross check lagi, oke, pemahaman tentang tensesnya di video-video yang sebelumnya. Oke. Alright. Other examples, contoh yang lain misalkan. How well do you play badminton? That's it. How well do you cook? Oh, not very well. Okay. Yeah. Another examples, contoh yang lain misalkan. How well do you play guitar? Oh, I can play guitar very well. Okay, I have a band. Alright, atau music bands, okay, dan sebagainya. Ya, jadi how well itu selalu diikuti oleh verb. Ya, jadi ada kata kerja. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, next you can make more sentences. Yeah, you can exercise. You can do exercise. Okay, you can improve yourself. How to make questions using how well. Okay, that's good. And the last one, and making question using how much. Okay, we are focused on about the price. Okay, tentang harga. Ya, tentu kalau menanyakan harga gunakan how much. Ya, how much is your bag? Oh, it's 350,000 rupiah. Okay, how much is your t-shirt? Okay, how much is your motorcycle? How much is your new hat? Okay, dan sebagainya, banyak. Okay, how much does it cost? Okay, dan sebagainya. So, how much focus on expressing price. Okay, ya mungkin di video-video sebelumnya kita sudah belajar tentang how many and how much. You can check it. Silakan cek di video kita sebelumnya. Okay. Well, guys, so it's very simple, right? How we make the questions using how, okay? So we start from how to make questions using how plus the adjective, like how far is your school from your house? How tall are you? How big is your house? Okay, how tall is your sister? Dan sebagainya. And then we make questions using how often, like how often do you clean your room, how often do you wash your car, ya, yang menyatakan seberapa sering, okay. And then how good, ya, jika kita menanyakan seberapa bagus, okay, how good are you at swimming, how good are you at playing guitar, how good are you at speaking English, dan sebagainya. And then, so we use how well, ya, yang mirip dengan how good, cuman kalau how well kita menggunakan verb, okay? How well do you play volleyball? How well do you speak English? How well do you cook? How well do you play guitar? I can play guitar very well, not very well, just average. Okay, that's the possible answers. Jawabannya kemungkinan seperti itu, okay? And the last one, so we use how much. So we use how much when we talk about the price. For example, how much is your bag? How much is your new guitar? How much is your motorcycle? Dan sebagainya. Okay? Oke, teman-teman, demikian video pembelajaran kita kali ini. Selamat belajar. Semoga video ini bermanfaat untuk teman-teman yang sedang belajar berbahasa Inggris. Okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and comment, and also share these channels, this video, for more video lessons. Okay? Thank you for watching this video and see you.